our mission statement says we're an employment destination for people who love to solve problems. We really relish understanding the business challenges of our clients and making sure that our solution is going to meet those objectives. Lorem Apply's vision really is to drive digital transformation for our clients. Right now, our clients across the industry are facing a lot of challenges with their frontline workers. People are moving around, people are changing careers, so employee retention has become paramount. In the past, training has been sending trainers around to various locations, which is expensive. It takes a lot of time. That has been a big obstacle for employers, especially with COVID time. Communication, that has traditionally been difficult because frontline workers don't have a dedicated device. They don't have access to the same technologies as the typical information workers have. If you can put yourselves in the shoes of one of these frontline workers, that feeling of disconnection, whether if you're in front of a client, where you're trying to fix a piece of machinery, is not a good feeling. And so what happens for somebody that gets onboarded in the middle of the training session and maybe they don't have access to all the SMEs, they need real-time information. What Vesper is a 3D solution that takes CAD files, digitizes them, and it allows them to automatically be broken apart so that the administrators of the system can go through and provide detailed instructions around each part, every piece of the system, how they fit together. That really helps with procedures in real time. It makes it available to them through the cloud, through Microsoft Teams at any time. Say that there's a piece of equipment you're working on in a factory. In the old days, you'd have to try to get out manuals, get on the phone to maybe a SME to figure it out. One of the cool parts about Vesper and what it brings to modernize that whole experience is that in addition to just the procedures, it's going to show you areas of caution, right? Like maybe there's a hot wire you have to be careful of. Maybe there's certain things you need to do from a safety perspective, right? It keeps them safe, makes them comfortable. So from an administration side, like the SMEs or whoever is in charge of that piece of equipment across maybe multiple factories, they have an admin console. They can go in, they can update the procedures, the instructions in real time. And then they're able to pass their expertise on to other folks in maintenance or wherever that allows them to immediately acquire that subject matter expertise for that piece of equipment. We're creating solutions within teams that help enable that really clear communication and enable them to provide clear direction, get pictures to sign off and make sure things are right. With every client, we will go do a discovery, understand their business needs, understand what they're trying to do, and then we can customize it to fit for their specific objectives. And that's why we have the services piece and the experts that will work directly with the clients to make sure that they get exactly what they need out of the solution. And to see it come to fruition is really cool. What's even better is to see the impact that it's having with real frontline worker. It's really improving their experience in their jobs, right, in real time and in real life, which in turn is helping these organizations retain and do more with less and really deliver better quality products.
Microsoft Teams provides a platform for partner tools and innovations to empower a happier, more successful frontline workforce.